Alrighty, what's up guys? This is going to be my weekly outlook on the NQ. So NQ, first what we were looking at is you're looking at this fair value gap. This is the weekly chart. So what do we see here? We see a fair value gap. Okay. And then what else do we see other than the fair value gap? I'll give you guys a couple seconds. Alrighty. We have this order block inside, partially inside this fair value gap. So for the week in a whole, as you can see, we are starting out bearish already. Let's see the PD array. PD array is going to retrace into this zone, but it's not. So we're not in the PD array. We're going to drop down to the daily. What do we see in the daily? Is there anything new that we see? Maybe this fair value gap right here that we previously tapped into. No, we definitely didn't perfectly tap. No. Anyways, we tapped in this fair value gap on the daily, and then we're going to head down to the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour, this is where I would start marking out my PD arrays, because that is where you want to be looking for trades, actively looking for trades. So what do we see here? Looking for the nearest swing high to swing low. So right here, this swing high, this is a swing high. So what are we at? Right at the PD array. What are we inside of? The 4 hour fair value gap. Everything is pointing to a bearish week, or at least a bearish couple days. We respect it perfectly. All right, come on, guys, it's right there. And then what do we see? Inverted fair value gap. That's also respected. And come on, guys, it's too simple. It's too simple. Anyways, boom. Oops, I need my fib. Where's my fib? Anyways, we're gonna head down to the 1 hour now. As you can see, we just broke this fair value gap. Would I worry about this fair value gap too much? No. Is it a fair value gap? Yes. But we previously retested in this fair value gap, made a drop down. So what do we have here? We have some liquidity. We have some resting liquidity here on the 1 hour chart. Okay. And then what do we have up here? Some liquidity. And then right here, we have the equilibrium. The equilibrium is important because it shows the premium and discount of the PD array. Now we're going to head down to the 15-minute to mark out our internal areas of liquidity. So in the 15-minute, as you can see, we have this liquidity equal highs, and then we have some resting liquidity right here. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for, if I would take a trade right now, which I'm not, as you can see, we have an order block. Whoops, we have an order block right here. And what is inside this order block? 2 fair value gaps. Now, which fair value gap do we do? As FCT said, you always want to target the farthest fair value gap up. All right. So boom, 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 boom. And then inside this order block, boom, boom. And then we are going to look for OTE retracement, which it is looking like OTE is going to be inside there. No, it's not. Okay. If we were to, we want to see a retracement into this zone right here, or the order block, pretty much, the order block. Head down to the 1 minute, see what's up. 1 minute, as you can see, a lot of stuff happening on the 1 minute. We do have this internal. We have this market structure on the 1 minute that I want to see a break into the upside. So here's what I want to see. I want to see a market structure shift, followed by a lot of bullish price movement. reaches anywhere in this fair value gap, put my stop loss just above this area, TP. I'm going to target out this previous low right here. There's my outlook on NQ. Will my kind of outlook be right? Who knows, right? See you guys later.